Welcome to Art of Yesh. Today, I'll honestly explain the difference between keratin, cysteine, and hair Botox, and which one is right for your hair. First, an important truth. No smoothing treatment is 100% healthy. Every option uses a chemical process, but with the right method, damage can be controlled. If your hair is very frizzy, dry, and unmanageable, hair Botox is usually the gentlest choice. It smooths, softens, and adds shine without making hair look flat. Keratin and cysteine are stronger treatments. They give a straighter finish, but they also mean more chemical exposure. Now, precautions matter. If you color or highlight your hair, don't mix it carelessly with smoothing treatments because that increases weakness and breakage. If you have active hair fall, control at least 60 to 70% first. These treatments don't cause thinning, but poor technique or care can cause breakage. Choose treatments by hair type, not trends. This is Art of Yesh, focused on healthy, manageable hair.